See, I don't nag my husband. If the toilet seat's up, I put it down. If the dishwasher needs loading, I load it. If his clothes are on the floor, I pick them up. Not because I'm a maid, not because I'm a pushover, but because my brain is wired differently than his. And I understand that. Men do not see the same details that us women do. They don't walk through the house noticing every little thing that's out of place. Their focus is on bigger things, providing, solving problems, keeping us safe. My focus, the little details that make our life flow smoothly. And that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. So why would I get mad at him for not seeing what he's not wired to notice? If I ask him to help, he gladly does it because he doesn't want me stressed. He'll take out the trash, clean the car, fix whatever's broken. Anything I ask, he's there. He just doesn't think to do it unless I say something, and that is fine with me. I don't have a problem cleaning up his bathroom or organizing his mess. That's one of the ways I like to serve my husband because it makes his life easier, not harder. And that's what partnership is about. He doesn't help around the house much. One, because I don't let him. And two, that's not his job. His job is to lead, to protect, to provide. My job is to create peace, beauty, and comfort in the home. Now, don't get it twisted. If you're working full time, managing the entire house, taking care of the kids, everything, that's not partnership. That's imbalance. If you're doing both inside and outside,